Hi and welcome to my playhouse and the creepy basement. Some time ago I tried to repair a battery for it was more or less an entire electric lawnmower. It was a Black & Decker one that used batteries like this, and in that video I figured out that the charger was broken, and so the electric lawnmower it was all good, and all the batteries they were in very good condition. Even if this one is from 2017, they were really good. This one, I asked to get one that was low because I didn't want to borrow the lawnmower this time. I wanted to try and fix the charger. They did go out and purchase a new charger for the lawnmower so that they could cut their grass. But I found that it would be kind of a challenge to try and repair this. So I ordered some parts for it that has come in from China. I haven't opened this yet, so if it's all wrong, it might be a really short video. So yeah, we're just gonna take this apart. First we're gonna check that it doesn't charge the battery. Otherwise it's gonna be a really short video. But I'm confident, so I've already turned on the soldering iron so that we can change some MOSFETs in this. Yeah, but first thing first, I'm gonna connect this to some power. There. So now there is power on the charger, which it does not show in any way. And then we're gonna try and put the battery in. And that did not make much of a difference. So a bit weird. Nothing at all is happening here. Okay, totally dead. I believe I measured some power coming out of it though. Oh, and this one actually says 2 lines now. The battery measures 36 volt, 36.64. What could the charger then be measuring? Oh, okay, I'm holding them wrong. So the charger is charging with 34 volts, so that's not gonna leave much power into the battery. And that's really weird, right? Put that back in. Nothing on the LED here, but it does go up to 2 bars when it's in the charger. I think I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes and see what the voltage does on the battery. In the meanwhile, we can open this package from AliExpress. And it's just gonna be a very simple, there we are, little bag of very extremely small. Are these right? They might be. Okay, that's yeah, a really tiny thing to come from the other way of the planet. So yeah, some MOSFETs. Okay, let's check. Let's see, minus plus. The voltage has actually gone up. That is odd. Okay, some time has passed. I have been doing other stuff. I'm afraid that this charger might not be as broken as I thought. I do wonder why that light isn't working at all, but yeah, it's often a little bit better for the video purposes when it's more black and white than not working in this particular way. Yeah, now it's charging the battery okay actually. That's weird. Okay, I'll take it apart and see what has happened. Yeah, someone has chosen to put security Torx into this charger. I have disconnected it. The wire is just still in the right direction for me connecting it again. The plug is there. Maybe I haven't gotten the LED sticking out in the right direction or something, and therefore I can't see the battery doing the right thing. I have put these in too good. It is the right one. It is totally burnt down here, so yeah. You can see the chip there, the one with the burn marks. That was the one that I was gonna replace, and I'm not so sure. I'm gonna check if these are at all the right ones. Okay, they looked very small in that packaging, but they do actually look like it's the same size chips. So yeah, maybe we should just replace the bottom one. Yeah, it's not a big MOSFET. I could try and brag about my really large hands, but that would be a lie. I think they're pretty normal. This magnifying glass is really good for making videos. Ever so slightly hard to get it in focus sometimes, but well, you can let me stick a finger in there. It's huge, right? So the things that we are looking at here is rather small. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can solder that top one off. It's gonna be impossible to film. I'm sorry, but I have to make sure that the writing on the chip is upright on the top. I can point to it. That one there. That the text on the MOSFET. It's not a chip. It's a MOSFET. It's tiny. But yeah, I'm gonna desolder the other one. I'm gonna try not to destroy it, because let's just say that if these chips that I got 10 of them, they were like $2 for 10. If they don't work, I might have to put that one back in. I can see that the chip is off. Is it loose, or I managed to solder it to something else? Okay, so we need the soldering iron in there again. Let's see if we can get it. I got it out, and I need to clean this out. Clean this. Sorry about that shakiness. Need to clean this up and put some new solder on so that this one can be mounted again. I think I'm gonna put some solder on these large things. This pad here and this pad here. That could help evaporate some of the heat from the chip. So quite some time ago I bought some you know, these for cleaning ears, which everybody says that you're not supposed to do, but well, let's just admit it, everybody does it anyway. And these are special because mostly because they don't want to come out of the packaging, and that's not really it. But I got these because they have a fluid inside of them. So you break the pin up here, and this fluid, which is a cleaning thing, will go down into the tip, and the fluid goes in there, and you're ready to clean. It's very clean and easy to do it like that. Isopropyl alcohol, it's called in Danish. So very brilliant. Okay, the new one is in there. It's not pretty, but I think it's about the best I can do. It's a very dirty work site now that it has been so hot. And on the other side of we haven't seen that. On the other side of the circuit board, it's all brown. Focus. So we can just turn this around, and you can see how hot it has been, that it has colored the circuit board on the other side, right there. Yeah, it's a dirty work site. I just put the plastic together. All the screws are still not attached, but if it blows up, I don't want to have to unscrew it. So we're gonna put the power to it. And it didn't blow up. Didn't actually do anything. So let's measure voltage. See what we think. Okay, that definitely hasn't improved. 1 volt. That's not gonna do anything good for us. Might just have ruined it. It did manage to charge the battery though, before we ruined it. So it seems the battery charged the capacitor in here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to call in defeat. I soldered the new MOSFET out again and put the old one back in, just in case that it was the wrong one that I put in. And yeah, it's not working. So I kind of ruined it because it was kind of working, but yeah, sometimes it doesn't work. And I'm gonna disconnect it and show you. Disconnect it. Oh, we need the magnifying glass here. There, the leads on the PCB, I am not sure anymore which legs goes to where. I have been trying to see if I could see the video from before I took it off, but yeah, now it's just a bloody mess and I don't think I'm gonna be able to fix this. So not great. I'm sad about that. I hate when something that I can't fix, but it does happen. And today is one of the instances where I think I'll just have to give up. It was only $2 to get the MOSFETs here, but I have no idea what's going on in there and what it's doing. But I didn't bother putting in all the screws, now that it's probably just gonna go to the trash. So yeah. Well, sometimes it just doesn't work, and yeah, they already bought a new charger for the lawnmower, and I only spent, I just checked the prices, they were $2.59 for 10 of those MOSFETs, so it's not a big deal. It's mostly my pride that is damaged, so that is sad. But hope I can beg you a charity like for this video for effort. But yeah, other than that, thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.